So a few different things today. A lot of cool stuff here and a lot of stuff on its way. So we're on used to through some of the stuff that's here. Our X3M is back, good customer of ours, return customer. He's had it roughly about a year. Bought our GLC 63, which is going stage 2 we're going to do for him at some point. So price has dropped a little obviously because it's a year older, 46,995, and it's still got all that 800 horsepower as well. That is the nicest X3M for sale, full stop in my opinion. Sounds like thunder, goes like hell, and looks the part. We have this Q7 here, 2016, 7-seater. Wee bit more up in the miles, 93,000 miles, but it brings it in a nice price point. So 19,995, 22-inch wheels are optional, 995. So done a black pack on it. Really, really nice car, really popular. It's got decent spec as well, so we don't expect that to sit around for long. And I'm sure you're wondering what this is behind us. So we've got, I wouldn't say a customer, but a person that called in and asked us would we be interested in buying an old Lotus. This car has one owner from new. It has been parked up for 20 years. This is a Lotus Eclat. So one registered owner car, 30,000 miles on it. It was one of the last off a production line from Lotus. It has a sprint pack on it, which means it has an oil cooler and a couple of other things. This is a 2.2 on twin 45 Lotus, which is brilliant. This car had 160 horsepower back in '87, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. We brought it in yesterday, pumped up the tires, we pushed it into here, that's how close it was to us. We pushed it into here, we filled it with fuel, we put a battery in it, we turned it over, we let the carburetors fill with fuel, and it run perfectly. I've taken a drive around the block, clutch, gearbox, brakes is phenomenal on it. The only thing we found not working is driver's door handle, driver's side electric window, which we will get to. The reason I had to hold off so much yesterday not washing this car is because I want you guys to see what we're going to do with it today. We're in two minds what to actually do with the car. Do we advertise it? Do we sell it? Do we put it in the office? Do we put it on collecting cars? Do we put it on eBay? Give us some of your opinions. This is a one-off holy grail car. This is, you will not find a one owner with 30,000 miles, one of these, like 160 horsepower back in '87. Like that's unbelievable. Rear wheel drive as well. They're 4-speed wheel drive, which makes it pretty much a 5-speed. This has the better gearbox in it as well. Factory color, never had paint. We won't be painting anything on it. There is a couple of wee marks that you'll see in and around it, but as I always say, they're only original once, and we will be keeping this original. We won't be refurbing wheels or anything like that. We want whoever buys this to decide, do they want to keep it as it is unrestored, which is very rare, or do they want to make it a concours car? If you're wanting to make a concours car, this is the one to start with, but I think it's too good for that, if that makes any sense. So we'll run you around some of the inside of it and stuff here and around the back. The shape is, the front of it I think is lovely, the back's controversial, but if you look at the shape of that car, that is full 80s right there. You'll notice that we noticed yesterday that our mechanic's quite into his old cars, and what he noticed yesterday, the rear tail lights are actually from an SD1 Rover turned upside down, because this is the way it was back in the day. Lotus was, what is a glorified kit car at the time? Probably that sort of idea, like TVR and that. So, and a lot of people, you know, they were troublesome back in the day. This car underneath is phenomenal as well. We'll get it up in the ramp and let you see. Also, the bodywork's all fiberglass, there's no rot, no rust, which is great. A lot of galvanized parts underneath it as well. So interior is phenomenal. It's all there. A wee bit of wear on the center bit of the steering wheel on the leather. We have all the original manuals, original keys, just all the stuff that you'd really, really want with that. So yeah, really cool car. So let's go through some of the washing processes and show you how we're going to bring this up to spec. The men must have wee feet back in the days, because my feet are touching together. Electric wing mirrors, electric windows, power steering. Look at the difference. That's only rinsed. Now we're going to hit it up with the snow foam, man. So what we're going to do now is the back tire valve's broken on, so Mitchell's going to remove the wheel, put a new tire valve into it. About something we'll have to spend to get it up and running. We're happy. It has had new plugs, new battery, new oil filter, new oil, new rocker gasket, new timing belt. There's quite a lot been done to it. We have going to D8 next. So what that'll do is we're not going to like try and get it concourse, but we're going to take all the swirl marks out of it because it's been sitting for so long under dust cover. I'm going to try and get that done, give the interior a bit of a clean and scrub, and really that's probably what we're going to do with it. I was going to send the wheels up and stuff and get them powder coated, but I'm just going to leave it as a survivor car, as I say, because as I said, it just doesn't get as good as that. So we don't want to mess with that in any way. We're even leaving the original number plates and all on it as well. So what we're doing at the minute is Chris has just run over it with a DA. We're not trying to get it like completely every swirl mark out of it. So he's using a wool pad and some medium fizzer compound. We get that from Polish Max and Bangor, so they have all that on their website. Mitchell's just going around the inside. So what we're doing is we're not using any cleaner on the inside, literally just hot water and a cloth, because we don't want to. Obviously everything's old and brittle and things like that, so we don't want to damage anything. So he's just going to do that at the minute. I'm going to get the tires and all the trims and stuff dressed here with rubber dressing, just really get it back on its toes. You'll probably see too our new t-shirts. So this is one of the ones on our van. We have these logos around our place, so these will be coming in the shop. What I'm pretty much doing at the minute is wearing them, washing them, just to make sure the quality is good. So they will be for sale very, very soon. Probably going to be in around sort of 20, 22 pounds, something like that, which is great for us. We're not making a load of money on it, but it's brand awareness, and I know you guys will love this stuff. So they'll be coming out real soon. We're just trying to get a deal done at the minute for them. So yep, we will update you more with this. So we're going to finish the end, clean the interior, get all the rubbers dressed, and that's probably where we're going to leave it with it. And then we'll decide what we want to do. But we do want your input. We do want you to tell us keep it, put it in the office, sell it, advertise it, put it on collecting cars, put it on eBay. What do you think? Give us an idea. We're open to suggestions on it. This isn't mine as much as I want it to be mine. This is my young brother Christopher's bought this. This is an MG Midget, which I'm sure you'll agree with the hardtop, which is really rare on them, is an awesome looking car. Very, very clean, fully restored. It's actually MSA logbooked and things like that as well. Do you want to know the best bit? Do you know why we have this? Because it has a 1000 RR Fireblade engine in it. It has 200 horsepower. It has an LSD fitted to the rear, and this is a hoot to drive. Unbelievably quick car. It probably weighs somewhere around 650 kilograms, so the power to weight ratio is mental. This is a very, very fit going car, so we'll maybe do a review on that at some point. We'll get Chris out on it on the road whenever the weather's good, and just let you see exactly how this thing goes. But my God, what a car. Probably will be for sale at some point, but I think he's just going to have a bit of fun on it for now. Buick's back. Winner took the money from our Kings, so it's back with us. C63's had the wheels refurbed, so it's ready to go. Our floor's been painted here. It's a bit dusty, so we're not going to clean the floors until we get it all painted. So guys, a few hours later, more than a few hours, a lot of hours later, as you can see, the Lotus has really changed. So we've done like a stage 1D. I know the detailers don't like stages, but we've done like literally a one pass with the wool head and on the medium's visor. Just dress the tires, dress all the trims on the outside, clean the glass, give the interior a clean. We just use hot water, pretty much soapy water, to clean the interior. So I think that's probably as much as we're going to do to it. As I said, it's had new plugs, it has had oil filter, it's had timing belt and new shocks and things and stuff on it. So I think it will be good enough to go and take very little work. But I'm sure this will end up being somebody else's pride and joy. Let us know what you think we should do with it. I know I've mentioned this a few times, but we're just really on the fence. It's going to go into our office here today, and I'll just sit there until we decide if we're going to sell, auction or whatever we do with it. So yeah, let us know in the comments what you think of it. And if you also know anybody, tag anybody that may be interested in something like this. As I say, it's a one-owner car. It's got 30,000 miles. It has all the service books, manuals, keys, Lotus Owners Club stickers, half the worth of fortune. All original tires, all that sort of thing. So really nice, unmodified, unpainted in any way car. So yeah, and anybody that wants to come in and see it for nostalgic reasons is more than welcome. Don't forget to like, share all our posts. and keep an eye on TikTok, Facebook, all the usuals as well. So, and we'll catch you soon with some different things coming up soon. I think we're going to do like a video on this MG with a bike engine in it. We'll maybe do a few other cool things that are coming as well. We actually have a Polaris buggy coming, which is similar horsepower to that, so we'll maybe have a drag race. But yeah, we'll catch you soon.